What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us. On today's episode, obviously, first things first, we have to baseline a couple cars. We have these two C6Zs, this Will Cooksey edition 08, and then this Cyber Gray C6Z. We baseline both of those, find out what they put down in stock. Matt also finishes up that 6th gen Camaro that we did our cam package on. We also did Cook's headers with cats and a Rotofab intake. Stay tuned for that on the dyno in today's episode as well, because that picks up really good power. All motor, pump gas, incredible gains. Stay tuned for that. We also have some new merchandise on the website, America, big stickers and small stickers. Go check them out right now, raceprovenmotorsports.com. Good morning, Matthew.
Morning.
So we have a 2008 C6 Z06 Will Cooksey edition.
Yup.
Yep.
Sure do.
So the cool thing about these cars is they're only made in 2008. I'm not actually sure how many of them they made. But Will Cooksey was I think he was like the plant manager, GM, and he signed underneath the armrest. All of these cars, they all came in the same color, this crystal red color, has the black stripe, all that good stuff.
Red carbon fiber dash.
Spider wheels, whatever you call them. This car is number 300. Which is kind of cool that it's like an even specific number. But that's about it. Otherwise, it's a normal C6Z with 427 badges everywhere, kind of like the 427 Vert.
I think I'm just doing heads on this.
Just heads?
Just heads.
Okay. I thought heads came. No? He just wants it
just fixed.
Fixed?
Yeah. The Cyber Gray one's getting heads camera.
Okay. I like that car a lot. I like it a lot.
Dude, I swear, if I drove past Porter Chevy one day and that thing was sitting on the lot, I think I'd have to buy it.
Yeah, Cyber Gray is so sick.
Takes a lot of concentration.
Yeah, I was gonna say something funny, but I didn't want to mess you up. You're good at laying caulk.
I'm sorry, did you say caulk or caulk?
Caulk. You're good at laying caulk.
Sound like you said caulk.
It's a total dad joke. That is the gray GM stuff. It's the same stuff they use on the pan, same stuff they use on the front cover. We have to scrape it all off when we take the pan on the front cover off, and then reapply and go back on. AC Delco, GM. Same thing, same.
AC Delco.
You're a real scumbag, guy. Oh, look at you. This thing's getting valve covers too?
Nope, just put them on there, see what they look like.
You know what, Matt? You're hanging around scumbag Eric too much. That looks good though. Headers look good. Valve covers look good.
Today would be great. If not, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, today, Eric. You heard the man. What else you got left?
Once I wrap up this little motor stuff, I just have to throw the radiator back in, and then I have to do the exhaust the exact same way I just did that 01.
Okay.
All lines are hidden. 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 Hidden.
The little things, Matthew. The little things.
Yeah, it's my favorite. I'm always right.
Money. Where are them valve cover inserts?
Eric's game plan on how to paint them.
So we didn't really do a whole lot to this.
Rebuilt in a cam.
Yeah, and a converter.
That.
Did I hear you correctly? You say we did an LS9 cam? Or did we do a custom?
No, I think we were at first. We did our normal cam.
Okay, that's what I thought. Had a lift or fail. And that kind of screwed up the cam, which in turn screwed up the cam bearings and needed a refresh.
Yep, simple rebuild.
Sent it out to our machine shop. They refreshed it all nice and good like. Nice and deep like. I like that better.
Ooh.
You know what's that from?
We're trying to keep this G rated here,
It
buddy.
is. You know what that's from?
Nice and deep.
Nice and deep like. It's from Dodgeball.
Corn.
Dodgeball.
What's the old saying? What deep?
What?
Balls deep, mother.
I don't even know what the hell you're talking about.
Balls deep.
Yeah, sure that. Dodgeball, the guy's cleaning the car and the creepy guy's like rubbing his belly button. He's like, yeah, get in there all nice and deep black.
That's creepy.
That's it, boy. Get in there nice and deep like.
Yeah, that's not good.
It's a funny movie.
Can't believe you didn't get balls deep.
I'm sorry, I didn't know I should. I thought you were trying to keep this PG. I didn't know you were going there.
Like basketballs, when they go like deep into the net, or hockey balls.
There's no. Just stop at sports analogies. Stick to racing. Stick to tuning.
All right, well, like if you're bracket racing and you go in deep, like when people write deep on their window and they go to deep stage.
There's no balls though.
Well, there's.
The nose is in deeper. Wheels. No balls.
Is there anything on a car that has the word balls?
No.
Anything in it?
No.
Ball bearings?
No. There's no balls.
There's gotta be.
No.
Someone can comment.
No.
Something on a car has the word balls in it.
Just the driver.
Ball joints.
Just the driver.
Ball joints deep!
Stupid.
Matt's probably like, what?
Just a couple dabs. That's it. Doesn't need to be
You gotta really spread it out there because it will
clump up.
push out the sides. Like, I probably put too much on this one. No, you'll be trying to. That one should. It should be good now.
And you can just take the wires off. And apply some light pressure and that's it.
It looks good.
This side's gonna be way easier.
Yeah.
Good job, Matt. It's got the tape tickler in it.
Is that so?
Yep. Matt and I named it.
Sick. It's a good name.
I like it. It's got nice alliteration. TT. It tickles your tape because of the.
So people could think that it's like a twin turbo cam.
No. It's not TT. I'm just saying both words begin with a T. So that's the alliteration. Learn that in school.
What's the onomatopoeia?
Sound word.
The who?
A sound word.
Sound word?
An onomatopoeia is a word that describes a sound, such as boom or bam.
Is that right?
Yes, it's 100% right. You try to quiz me and think you're gonna fucking win?
No, I failed English. So.
So did I, but I mean, I didn't fail, I just didn't care.
That one.
Yeah. As you can tell by my spelling and grammar. But I know useless things like that.
Math and science, all day.
I sucked at
English
math,
and
too.
history.
I sucked at math too.
Let's see, I'm pretty good at math.
You know what a palindrome is?
No, I didn't take math past like.
It's not math.
This is English. I'm just saying, I didn't take math past like what you need to use in life.
Oh, okay. You're pretty good at math. I was gonna say you're quick with it.
I can do like weird shit with percentages in my head.
Yeah.
Like I can figure out like any percentage of any number in my head. It's weird. I don't know.
It sounds like a useless skill.
I mean, it is. Unless you're like trying to calculate tips. I hate when people try and like do it on their phone. Like anyone can figure out 10% of any number.
Yeah.
Literally.
You only tip 10%?
No, motherfucker. But if you do 20, you get 10 and double it. You can't figure out 10% of any number.
Oh, I do it really easily.
Not you.
Oh.
Just saying in general.
Oh, yeah.
Then I'm sorry, but you're a fucking moron.
Back to my original question. Palindrome is a word that is the same forward as it is backwards, like race car.
Yeah, and Hannah.
Yep. And mom and dad. No, that's not. That's cute. No, not that either. That's tits.
Tits. Tit.
Tit is.
Tit.
That's a good one. Boob. Boob is.
Booby.
Remember on the calculator?
8008 135.
I think it was 7355.
What?
Boobless.
Boobless. That was boobless.
We are this many years old. So this car is just getting heads. Fixed heads. So shouldn't take Matt very long. I think he even said he's gonna stay late and knock this one out. Goal. What a gift. So obviously our heads come from Advanced Induction. They are stock casting heads. These ones will go out as a core, and we minimize downtime by already having a set ready for them. So basically gonna take these off. New gaskets, new everything else, new oil, plugs, put the new ones on, and that's it. We'll still pick up a little bit of power, not too much.
20 minutes later.
I need a little sucker gun. I'd like.
You should get one from the dentist. I have to blur out what's in the background because people are not allowed to see that yet. It's top secret, so people are gonna ask, what's up with that? What's up with that? Well, you have to stay tuned for that.
Sure do.
It will be its own, like, video thing.
Must be nice.
Well, I mean,
Wish I got my own video thing.
you don't even have your own car.
Well, I mean, I do.
Yeah, well, I don't have 2 years to film it going together.
I had 2 years is a long motherfucking time.
It goes way quicker than you think. You're already like 7 months in. Am I wrong?
You know, I was putting the Viper back together, and it's the same thing as going to the track. You know, I just get all fired up.
You're like, I'm gonna go do it, and then you get home every night, and then you're like, that thing.
Yeah, technical. It's like I'm maxing out the credit cards. Like I'm building my car now. She's like, whatever, and then I'm like, maybe not. It sounded good.